Listen. You has to be kidding me. You has a buyer for that piece of shit? I painted that when I was drunk and tequila. Are you sure she doesn't want one of the other paintings? Maybe the one of the prostitutos in the cave? Cause I tell you what, I'll even throw in a few paintings I got cheap at an auction. I got a Salvador Dali and I have a Jackson Pollock. Listen to me. If she buys this and she changes her mind, I don't going to give her money back. I doesn't care if she's going to give in complaints. Listen, if you think she's really gonna keep it and be happy, I'm okay with it. But if it doesn't work out, I doesn't gonna do business with you again. That's it. Final case closed. No more. No más. Bye bye. People is crazy, let me tell you.